My name is Walter Friedrich. I'm the president of GMTA, and I'd like to welcome you to our booth here this morning. Let me explain a little bit about GMTA, formerly also known under the name American Vera. American Vera was established in 1991, and our location, our main office is in Ann Arbor, Michigan. We have a second office in Guerrero, Mexico, and we currently employ a total of 11 service engineers between Ann Arbor, Michigan and Guerrero, Mexico. And then we further have 5 people on staff for sales and administration in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Basically, we represent only German machine tools, and Scott Knoy, our Vice President of Sales, he's going to explain to you these different machines. And then later on, Joseph Campbell, where is he? Oh, okay. He's going to demonstrate you the straightening press. And one other thing, American Vera, we changed our name to GMTA in June of this year, just because Vera is 2 separate companies. One is a machine tool company and one is a hand tool company. And the hand tool company is known under the name Vera. So the owner of Vera, he wanted to distinguish between the machine tools and the hand tools. So he decided that the name Vera will only be used under the hand tools. So in Germany, our parent company is known under the name Profilator. And but in the English, in America, I did not want to use the name Profilator. It just does not fit. So since we represent many other German companies, we decided that we're going to change our name to GMTA, meaning German Machine Tool of America. So, and this name change came in effect in June of this year. We are still doing the same business as under American Vera. It's just a simple name change to GMTA to distinguish us between the hand tool business and our parent operator in Germany. I think that is about all. This is our company. I'm going to turn over to Scott Knoy, and he is going to explain the different 5 companies which we are representing and the product what they are building. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for coming. My name's Scott Knoy, as Walter said, and I work the sales department at GMTA. As you can see, we've kind of boxed ourselves in with GMTA. We can't sell anything Swiss, anything Japanese, German from here on out. A little bit about our product lines. We do manufacture and sell our own machines, as you just learned. The line is Profilator, or Profilator as the Germans call it. Didn't think American Profilator sounded quite right. So we've done something a little more generic in nature, take into account our evolution from manufacturer, North American arm of a manufacturer, to almost as well as being a distributor. So we've developed a relationship with the DBS group out of Frankfurt, Germany, and they own the companies WMZ, Revima, is part of the association of 9 companies.
Scott.
Representing these.
Scott, can you talk a little louder?
Louder?
Yeah, exactly.
WMZ is a company that makes a very unique machine called a center drive lathe. And what it does is it will process shafts. It allows you to grab the part in the center and work the ends, different than your normal lathe that will come in from the sides and use centers so you can do the turning process. So you can have 1 or 2 center drives on this machine, as well as centers so you can process the entire part, ends, as well as the entire shaft. Very unique machine, very interesting to the people in the energy market as well as the printing presses. Vima is the gear technology arm of the DVS group. They make what I consider the best gear honing machine in the world, and if you look at the sales over the past 10 years, they certainly prove that out. They sell gear hones at a rate of 3 to 1 compared to the competition, and I'm fully confident that if we had more capacity, it would be a higher number. Truly the best machine on the market. So looking for a gear hone, Vima is where you would like to buy it. They also manufacture gear grinders, profile grinders, very large grinders for the wind energy industry. They go up to 2 meters. Unfortunately, we developed this machine just as the market was starting to ebb, so we haven't moved very many of the machines, but I can assure you they're excellent quality, and we have one machine available for short delivery due to the downturn in the market, especially to that sector of the energy industry. The third company that we work with from the DVS group is Pittler. And Pittler is a very old company, more than 100 years, and they're very famous for turning equipment. Now, you probably know the turning market is very competitive. You're fighting with people such as Mazak and Puma who make thousands of machines a year. So we need to differentiate ourselves in some fashion. What we like to do is we like to do as many operations as we possibly can to a part before we move it. I know we're on film right now. Behind you are a few pieces that we manufacture on the Pittler machines, and we concentrate mainly on large pieces that you really don't want to move. So if we can do as many operations as we possibly can on that one machine with very high amount of technology on it, then we can be successful. Not only are we turning, but we're milling, we're drilling, we're grinding, we're measuring, and that is the difference in what we do as compared to the competition. Lastly, I'd like to talk a little bit about MAE. They are our new partner in business. They are manufacturers of straightening presses. We have 2 machines here, as well as railway wheel set presses. It's hard to say, but a railway wheel set press is used to take train wheels on and off of axles. So it's a very unique product. We hope to explore that even more deeply in the future. But we thought it was important that we display MAE here at the show as our new partner to show some of their technology and what they can do. 2 machines here. With that, I'd like to turn it over to our product manager, Joseph Kemple. He's going to explain the machines, how they work, and then Ron Higginspieler, our technician, is going to demonstrate the machines so you can see exactly how they operate. Thank you.
Good morning. How you doing? As Scott mentioned, I'm MAE product manager working with GMTA here in North America. MAE is the global leader in straightening technology with 50% of the global market share, roughly 80% of the German market share, and 67% of the European market share in straightening technology. MAE offers small manual presses that are used in smaller job shops for low volumes. These electromechanical press machines, fully automated, which are very good for the auto industry, up through the heavier machines such as combines, tractors, as well as the semi-trailers, semi-trucks that are on the roads. Additionally, we have the large ASV moving C-frame presses. Those are good for the steel industry. They'll straighten pipes in steel bar up to 800 millimeters in diameter to roughly 98 feet in length. Some very nice innovations there with only